Is it truly the best gaming monitor you can get your hands on? Are the Odyssey Neo G9 truly a game changer? Stick around as we unravel the mysteries of Samsung's latest marvel. Hello viewers, and welcome to the ultimate review of the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9. If you're a gaming enthusiast, you're likely always on the lookout for the best equipment to enhance your gaming experience. In this video, we'll explore whether the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 lives up to the hype as the best gaming monitor on the market. We'll dive into its features, performance, and why it's a game changer for serious gamers. So let's dive into the video. In the realm of gaming displays, few can rival the opulence of the Samsung Odyssey G9. This colossal 49-inch monitor boasts an impressive 5120x1440 resolution and a blazing 240 Hz refresh rate, all underpinned by a stellar HDR 1000 rating. However, as we venture into the year 2021, a new contender has emerged on the scene: the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9. This iteration takes the foundation laid by the Odyssey G9 and cranks it up to an unprecedented level. We're talking about improved illumination, an HDR 2000 rating, and a shift to mini LED technology, rendering the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 one of the most advanced gaming monitors in existence. However, acquiring this pinnacle of gaming prowess demands not only a top-tier gaming PC, ideally an RTX 3080 at the very least. Yet the investment is largely justified. The display itself is unparalleled in quality, boasting breathtaking color reproduction and deep black levels rarely found in other gaming monitors. Immersing oneself in gaming on this monitor is a true luxury, and it almost manages to justify its eye-watering price tag. Undoubtedly, this stands as one of the most exorbitant gaming monitors on the market, but it brings a gamut of features that its peers simply cannot match. To our knowledge, it stands alone with its HDR 2000 rating, overshadowing even the Asus ROG Swift PG27U key. The HDR experience it offers surpasses even what's found on most televisions. The substantial price hike from last year's $1,479, £1,289, Australian $2,799 model is well justified when you consider the array of cutting-edge technology Samsung has integrated. While the Odyssey G9 was already the reigning monarch of ultra-wide gaming displays, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 elevates it to a level of extravagance that caters perfectly to gamers who demand nothing less than the very best. Have any of you tried gaming on a monitor of this size before? Let us know in the comments. Design. The Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 is a behemoth. Its immense size becomes apparent once you unpack it and place it on your desk, even on our spacious 61-inch desk. It occupies nearly the entire length, leaving just enough room for our PC alongside it. This mammoth size, however, proves to be an asset when you seek an immersive gaming experience. Seated in front of the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9, especially while indulging in games like Final Fantasy XIV, the screen envelops almost our entire field of vision. Distractions become virtually non-existent unless we consciously invite them. When we're grinding for a relic weapon before the release of Endwalker in November. Although bezels remain visible, especially along the bottom, the sheer size of the screen diminishes their significance in daily usage. The only logos adorning the front are those of NVIDIA G-Sync, a presence we could do without. Nonetheless, the inclusion of G-Sync is a positive aspect. Much like its predecessor, the monitor features a small joystick/button combination slightly right of center on the bottom edge. This controls access to the on-screen menu for adjustments to typical monitor settings. It also facilitates quick input switching and modification of display settings, such as brightness and contrast through lateral or vertical flicks. The rear of the monitor retains the same design aesthetics as the previous model, with an all-white color scheme adorned with futuristic patterns. The RGB circle around the stand mounting area also makes a return. Cables are neatly tucked into a compartment at the display's bottom, with a sizable plastic panel available for concealing them. Unfortunately, the monitor's design flaw becomes apparent due to its considerable weight. The stand lacks cable management channels, making cable organization somewhat challenging. Users may consider opting for an alternate stand with VESA compatibility, but the monitor's weight poses challenges here as well. Samsung's recommendation to wall mount the monitor aligns with our sentiments. Regarding the port selection, it offers a rather standard array. This includes 2 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-B cable for USB pass-through, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, and 1 display port. Samsung generously includes both HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort cables. To fully exploit the 240 Hz refresh rate, HDMI 2.1 is the preferred choice, as the refresh rate drops to 120 Hz over DisplayPort. It's somewhat disappointing that the display inputs are limited, particularly considering the monitor's unique feature of emulating two 27-inch 1440p monitors. Expanding the range of connected devices would have been appreciated. Having ports for a PS5, 2 PC connections, and a Nintendo Switch. Contemplating the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9? Dive into our description's treasure trove of affiliate links for access to tech marvels. Navigate these links to secure the Neo G9 while supporting channel growth and insightful content creation. Performance. Describing the impact of this monitor upon first use is a formidable task. Samsung has somehow managed to double the peak brightness from last year's 1000 nits to a staggering 2000 nits in the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9, earning it an HDR 2000 rating. This places it on par with the Pinnacle of Hdr Quality, rivaling even the experience of gaming on a top-tier OLED TV. However, the innovation doesn't stop there. The Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 incorporates Samsung's Quantum Mini LED technology, also featured in their latest QLED TVs. This translates to an impressive 2048 local dimming zones, a monumental improvement over last year's model. In games like Destiny 2, our go-to title for HDR testing, the monitor's performance is nothing short of breathtaking. While HDR might be considered a luxury addition, once experienced, it becomes challenging to relinquish. This move from the typical HDR 400 displays, which are all too common in the gaming monitor market, to an HDR 2000 display like the Neo G9. The Samsung Odyssey Neo G9's prowess extends beyond its size and resolution. It excels in brightness and color reproduction, surpassing anything most users have likely encountered. When combined with the high refresh rate, however, the high refresh rate and resolution pose a considerable challenge. Performance. With a display sporting 5120x1440 pixels, which is essentially 4K, even with our gaming PC equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090, we rarely achieve a locked 120 frames per second, let alone 240 frames per second. Verdict. In conclusion, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 stands as a testament to the ever-evolving landscape of gaming displays. Its grandeur, coupled with groundbreaking technology, positions it as a beacon of excellence in the world of gaming monitors. While its price tag may deter all but the most committed gamers, the Neo G9 justifies its cost with an unmatched visual experience. The leap in peak brightness and color precision, thanks to HDR 2000 and Quantum Mini LED. However, its colossal size and weight demand careful consideration of desk space and cable management. The limited input options, while sufficient, could benefit from expansion to accommodate a wider range of gaming devices. Performance-wise, the Neo G9 sets a new standard, even if it necessitates a top-tier gaming rig to fully exploit its capabilities. While frame rates may not consistently hit 240 frames per second, ultimately, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 is an investment in gaming luxury. It caters to those who demand the pinnacle of performance and are willing to pay a premium for the privilege. If you find yourself among this elite group of gamers, the Neo G9 will undoubtedly leave you awestruck and redefine your gaming experience. For others, its allure may remain just out of reach, but it serves as a tantalizing glimpse into the future of gaming displays. In an industry that constantly pushes boundaries, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 stands as a testament to innovation and a harbinger of what's yet to come. It may not be for everyone, But for those who dare to dream, it represents a tantalizing glimpse into the future of gaming technology. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.